Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to factory reset a sunroof on Mini R56. So it's a second generation. I am sitting in 2007 Mini One. So I found several tutorials online on how to do it, but for some strange reason it wasn't working in my version. So I'm recording this one just in case someone is struggling the same way as I was. So I'll show the buttons now. So in most of the tutorials everyone is able to reset the sunroof just by pressing it towards like opening the sunroof for about 15-20 seconds, but this wasn't working for me at all. And then I was fiddling around, like trying to reset it some other way, so pressing it to the other way and then pressing it towards opening, but just in a position 1, and it wasn't working too. And and then I kind of discovered that when you trying to close the sunroof, this button also has 2 positions, so you will feel a small resistance if you just press it gently, so that's 1, and then if you will keep pressing it, that's a position 2. So in order to reset the button, the sunroof, you have to press this button to the position 1, just like this, and kind of hold it for some time, but you obviously have to do it with the engine on. So I'll just go ahead and turn my machine on, and let's just demonstrate how is it. So I will press it to the position 1 for about 15 seconds, I believe, maybe longer. Just keep holding it until the roof will start doing it. So in a minute it's supposed to do. And here we go. So here we go. And I sort of my just to try again. I think I stopped pressing. The button kind of slipped. It's tricky. So I'll turn it off just to reset of whatever was going on there, and I will put it back on. So engine on, and now this button I'll just use my thumb. So position 1, and I'll just hold it. I'll show you the grapes. So and here we go. So the roof should open itself and then close again. Here we go, and this is how you reset the sunroof if you're struggling with like a common way. This kind of helps with leak, the wind leak, so the wind noise when you're driving. Just by doing this, I sort of improved the wind noise which was coming through my sunroof. Like as I'll show you before, even when I was driving within the city at the speed of the 60, I was already hearing quite loud and disturbing noise. Now it's sort of improved, and I can hear it only at here. So you know, for most of like riding in a city, this like range of the speed is enough, and I cannot hear any noise. However, I will still be trying to fix it manually. I know that there is a method where you have to unscrew 2 screws on each side and sort of move it ever slightly towards like forward of the car, and it is supposed to like close the seal. So I will be probably posting that as well on some point. I hope this was helpful for someone and you've been able to fix either your leak or whatever was troubling you with your sunroof. Alright, thank you so much.